Hi guys, welcome to 18 area. Today you are with Sbusiso Chauke, and this is our first episode. So today we are talking football. So I'll start with the MTN 8 semi-finals. We know that we have two games today, and that's Pirates against Cape Town City, and then Mamelodi Sundowns against Stellenbosch. So here guys, we'll be talking about predictions, the scores. You tell us what you think will happen on those two games. So I'll go first. The first match, which is Orlando Pirates and Cape Town City. If I were to give my predictions on that game, I'd say Pirates to win the game by 2-1. And why 2-1? Okay, Pirates have been playing very well. We all know that. I'm not a Pirates fan, but they've been playing very well, and they last had a game, I think, last week against Disciples FC from Madagascar in the CAF Champions League. Unlike Cape Town City, who have been, I think, 2 weeks from non-playing. So their last game was against Kukune when they won 1-0 on the MTN 8. So I think that gives Pirates an edge over Cape Town City because they've been playing and they've got two good players. Tito Maswanganyi, Relebohile Mufukeng. That guy is very good. I'm not a fan of Pirates, as I did say, but Mufukeng is a very good player. So I'll give them to Pirates 2-1. I know that Cape Town City are playing at home. They have what we call home ground advantage, but we know Pirates supporters, they always come out in numbers to support their team. So I think 2-1 to Orlando Pirates. So the next game is Mamelodi Sundowns against Stellenbosch. Okay, with Stellenbosch, it is also a very good team, and they lost Ikram Reyners, their top striker. They've lost who's this guy? Okay, I think it's Reyners only. They've lost Reyners to Mamelodi Sundowns. I don't know if he'll play today against his former team, but even though they lose players, we know how strong Stellenbosch can be, because they do have Andre de Jong, and he's been scoring each and every game that Stellenbosch has played this season. He's been on the score sheet, so I believe that he can stand in for Ikram Reyners. So my prediction for this game, I'd say a draw. I don't know the score, but I think a draw is fair for the game because both teams are good. And Mamelodi Sundowns, we saw their game against Polokwane City. They played very well, but you can tell that Rolando Mokoena is no more. So I think Stellenbosch can fancy their chances against Mangoba Mneti's side, because they do play well Sundowns, but without Rulani, it was so obvious that he's no more when they played against Polokwane City. But we don't know. Let's just wait and see. So my predictions again: the Pirates and Cape Town City. I give it to Pirates 2-1. And the Sundowns and Stellenbosch game, I see a draw, but I can't say the scoreline, but I see a draw. So you guys can also comment your predictions, your scoreline for these matches. Maybe you might be right, or you can even place a bet with Betway, Hollywoods, all those things. Maybe you can win. So guys, I'll come back again for the weekend's fixtures, the EPL, and we'll also go back to today's games to see if our predictions were correct. So guys, let's meet next time. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.
Thank you for watching 18 area with Sbusiso Chauke.